Danniella Westbrook has left everyone guessing after claiming famous men have flooded her DMs following her rather racy underwear shoot. The former EastEnders star says she has been getting all kinds of weird and wonderful messages in recent months. Taking part in the social icon's lingerie shoot last year, she says it's not just fans who have given her snaps the thumbs up. Not that it matters, she says she and fiancé David, 28, are still going strong. She was asked by the Daily Star about the reaction to her saucy shoot in a Facebook Live. Danniella, 49, said, "Always. There are quite a few of both, celebs and fans, actually. I don't actually do it anymore. I let my agent run my social media. I only talk to people about recovery that inbox me, other than that I don't really go on my social media. But I don't want a celeb boyfriend, I've got a boyfriend I need." She revealed she is officially back on with her toy boy jailbird lover, David. Rumors were swirling that the pair had called an end to things after the actress revealed the couple are engaged again, having split last year due to personal frustrations. Her partner is currently serving time in prison for counterfeit goods. But she is now counting down the days until he is out and they can spend some time together. She added, "David, nobody knows his last name, but I do obviously. I met him in Marbella years ago, we've been together on and off over the past 6 years. Everything is really good. He will be home at the end of the year, probably just before my birthday in November. I can't wait to have him back home. We are definitely getting married still. I think we are going to do something a lot quieter here and there and go away, just us. In fact, he gave me a Haribo ring today. We were eating Haribos on the visit today and he gave me a Haribo ring. He put his thumbprint on a love heart too, so I brought them both home.